Hello friends, let's solve for the x. So our question is 9 raised to x minus 18 is equal to 3 raised to x times 7. Now we can write 9 raised to x and here we can write minus 14 minus 4 in place of minus 18 is equal to 3 raised to x times 7. Now we will add 14 both sides. So we have 9 raised to x minus 14 minus 4 plus 14 is equal to 3 raised to x times 7 plus 14. These two get cancelled out. Now we have 9 raised to x minus 4 is equal to 3 raised to x times 7 plus 14. Now on this part we can write 3 square whole raised to x minus 2 square is equal to, and from this part we can factor out 7 times 3 raised to x plus 2. Now if we have a raised to b whole raised to c, then it will be a raised to c whole raised to b. According this rule, we can write this part as 3 raised to x whole square minus 2 square is equal to 7 times 3 raised to x plus 2. Now this is an identical situation like a square minus b square is equal to a plus b times a minus b. According this rule, this part can be written as 3 raised to x plus 2 times 3 raised to x minus 2 is equal to 7 times 3 raised to x plus 2. Now these two expressions are same here. So if we divide with 3 raised to x plus 2 both sides, these two get cancelled out and here these two get cancelled out. Now we have 3 raised to x minus 2 is equal to 7. Adding 2 both sides, 3 raised to x minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 7 plus 2. These two get cancelled out. Now we have 3 raised to x is equal to 9. 9 is 3 square, so we can write 3 raised to x is equal to 3 square. It's the same base both sides, so we can equate their exponent. X is equal to 2 is our answer. Now let's verify our answer. And our given equation is 9 raised to x minus 18 is equal to 3 raised to x times 7. 9 square minus 18 is equal to 3 square times 7. 9 square is 81 minus 18 is equal to 9 times 7. So we have 63 is equal to 63. So x is equal to 2 is the correct answer. Thanks for watching. We will meet in the next one. Bye bye.